Flora V3 sewable circular Adafruit board that is Arduino compatible. It's running the Atmel 32U4 chip. We've got native USB on it. It is a 5-volt board. There are 14 of these sewable pads, but you can also clip to them with alligator clips. 8 of them are GPIO pins, 4 of them that are ADCs, where you can use things like potentiometers and strain sensors, flex sensors. There you can see we've got just NeoPixel LEDs lit, and then I'm reading these 2 jumpers. So if I move this jumper, you can see we're now doing a little rainbow LED pattern. Take that off the ground. There we go. I've also got the danger alert eyes there running. So run if you see the little lemon wedge get that angry. This is nothing good can come of that. It is the Adafruit Flora V3.